Hello, today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how I create my favorite look, which is a blowout look using our Tyme 2-inch iron, the new cream color. The thing that I'm gonna do is I'm kind of just gonna brush through my hair. Before this, I applied some heat protectant to my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn my iron on. I'm doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair into a half up, half down. You don't have to do this, and especially if you have finer hair, but it's just something I like to do so that I don't have a bunch of hair in my face. My hair is really fluffy right now. It's just freshly washed, and typically when my hair gets like this, it can be hard to section, so it just kind of helps me. While this heats up, I'm just gonna talk about this a little bit. And actually what I love about it is it does have 4 different heat settings. A lot of people think that hotter means tighter, longer lasting curls. That is not the case. A lot of it has to do actually the way that your curls cool and the way that they set, which is something that is really easy to do with a ceramic plated iron. The thing about ceramic plates is when you're using them in comparison to a lower grade iron, it allows the heat to be evenly distributed among your hair. So when you're curling your hair, entire section is getting an equal amount of heat. That also means that you have to repeat the curl less times. Typically, you can get the perfect curl in one pass. The thing about ceramic plates is they have a smoothing technology. If your hair is kind of fluffy, like the state of mine right now, what it's gonna do is kind of mold your hair together so that it doesn't look frizzy. Great for if you have really textured or coily hair. It's gonna give you that sleek and shiny look that we all love. At first glance, I feel like this iron can be really intimidating because you're probably thinking, what in the world does a barrel this size even do to my hair? A lot of people think when using a curling iron that traditional coily curl. Someone like me, especially with finer hair, I struggle with having volume. So I really love this iron because what it does for me is it actually fluffs up my hair, especially when I do like a soft bend look. I'm gonna show you 2 different things that you can do with it and how I create my more like blowout style look. You can use it like a normal curling iron. I take a section here. Everybody curls their hair differently. So this is just what I do. I'm gonna clamp, and I'm also gonna heat up that piece. If you have finer hair, or even if you don't have finer hair, if you have thicker hair, it's always good to heat up the piece. You're gonna get more of a crispy curl. I'm just gonna start from the top, and I'm gonna glide my iron down and roll up all the way till I get to that end of my hair. I'm gonna hold this for a second. If you have finer hair, I really recommend holding it for a little bit longer because my hair really struggles to hold enough, especially with an iron this size. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna do a little twist here. Another thing to keep in mind that when you are curling your hair, the size of your section matters. A lot of people think the size of your iron matters. With this iron, you can create a smaller size curl or you can create a more looser curl. So this is the first and the classic way to use it, but I'm going to show you what I do to create this blowout look. Now, again, everybody curls their hair differently and there's different ways to utilize your iron. A lot of people think that when they get a curling iron, they have to just use it one way. That is not true. That is the beauty of professional grade styling irons, is that you can do a million different things with them. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush this out. And as you can see, even though I brushed it out, it's already made my hair smoother, less frizzy. So to create this like bouncy 90s blowout look, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a decent section. I'm gonna come from the top of the piece and I'm going to roll under till I get to the very end. If you want even more volume, you can add rollers after you do each curl. I'm just gonna show you what it does by itself because it's honestly kind of crazy. Roll, release. So as you can see, this is a very different style of look. It's kind of giving you more of that swoosh. Now, if you have completely straight, all of the same length hair, this is not going to look the same on you. I have layers in my hair, and everybody has layers in your hair. This is the way that it gives me the most volume. I'm gonna take another section. I like to alternate. That one I went over, this one I'm gonna go underneath and kind of go like this. Go down to the very end. And then I'm just gonna roll down. You can already see the difference, just like the volume and the swoosh it's giving my hair compared to the rest. I'm just gonna finish up this side. If you want it to last even longer, you don't have to do this, but this is a little trick. I like to take a little bit of hairspray. I'm using Moroccan oil hairspray, medium hold, and I'm just giving it a little spritz. So I'm just gonna do a quick comparison. As you can see, this side even looks just so much thicker than this side. Not only has it smoothed my hair, but it's taken out all that frizz. On the ends of my hair here, it almost looks stringy. What I love about this iron is it kind of molds my hair together so it looks thicker and fuller. Emphasizing this, but seriously, if you do have thinner hair, you may not think it, but this might be the perfect iron for you. It just helps me, especially like I have a lot of hair, but I have fine hair, and a lot of times it doesn't really look as full as it can look, and I think allows your hair to look like the fullest version of itself. Just want to say that there is no perfect way to curl or style your hair, which is why that I'm showing you the way I do it for my hair type, because everyone does and loves their hair differently, and doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. It just means everyone has a different way of styling. I also want to help you understand that not all irons are the same, and they are going to give you different results. Obviously, you may look at this and say, oh, I feel like it's not doing anything, but it's completely different than using our 1.25 inch or using our Tyme Iron Air, which can give you perfectly straight hair or more ringlet curls. At the end of the day, you just have to find out what works for you and what you love the most. And sometimes it takes a while to figure out what that is. So as you can see here, and I haven't even done the top section of my hair looks so much fuller and more voluminous. I'm gonna go ahead and do the top section of my hair, and I'm also gonna show you how I style my front bangs to maximize volume. Another thing is, if you've never used ceramic plates before, you can notice as I'm doing my hair that it glides so easily. Sometimes it's almost a little too slick, but that is one of the things that I really love, is because of the even heat distribution, it allows you to roll and move through the pieces so easily. A lot of like cheaper grade curling irons, you'll notice that when you try to move your hair through or you try to roll the iron, your hair will kind of catch and snag. When there's even heat distribution, you're not emphasizing heat on just one area. Is that gonna prevent damage, but it's also gonna allow your curl to cool more evenly. I could have done this sooner, but I'm actually just gonna go ahead and clip up my front bangs. They're not the shortest you've ever seen. Just gonna get them out of the way for curling the side of my hair. Leave those last because I do them a special way. And if you have more layers or bangs, this could be very helpful to you. So now that I've completed the rest of my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do my front pieces, or if you will, my bangs. I don't have full on bangs, but these fronter pieces really make or break this look. And I've already touched on this, but if you don't have layers, just keep in mind this will not have the same look or effect on you. I have a good amount of layers in my hair, so it really helps create that extra volume. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay them in front of my face like this, and it is gonna look really crazy for a second. Some people, they like to do their bangs underneath like this. I've done my bangs like this a lot. However, the trick that I have found to give me the most volume is in front of your face, just like this. I'm gonna open my clamp like we always do, heat up that piece, and make sure you don't clamp too hard, and I'm going to swivel underneath. I was gonna talk about this earlier in the video, but if you clamp too hard on a certain part of your hair, it is gonna leave a dent. These irons do get really hot easily, so just be mindful of that. I really like to make sure that these stick in place. In my mind, bangs are what make the look. Roll and release. I'm just gonna kind of give myself some spray. I'm gonna flip these over, and I am going to brush. And that's it. This is the final look using our Tyme 2-inch iron. If you want to recreate this look, shop the Tyme 2-inch on our website. Until next time, bye.